Hi guys, it's Caito Potato here! And basically today I am going to be showing you the Nikkie Tutorials and Beautybay collab palette. I am so bloody excited. Sort of got carried away and have done a eye look off camera. If you are interested in seeing how I got this, then stay tuned and check out this palette with me. Basically, I got sent this palette to my door. I'm not on any Beautybay PR list. Nikkie Tutorials has no idea who the heck I am, so I have no idea how I managed to get this palette. I literally shit my pants when I got this. So here it is. Here's the colors. I'm so sorry about my camera and all that. If you're sliding or like turning over to the side or whatever, I seriously apologize. I am using my iPhone on the back camera, so I don't even get to see if this is recording or not. I recorded this whole look and turns out that nope, I wasn't recording. So yeah, I'm hoping that this is recording, and if it's not, then I'm going to suck my own ass. So I am going to go in with this color here, Slasher, and I absolutely love this color so much. It's like a mulberry purple and it is just stunning. And look how easy it is to blend. Like, oh my god, that's one thing I found out with this palette, that it is just, you take one dip of the color and it stretches for miles. So I'm just going to add a bit more. I like layering. I like putting the pigment on like twice as much, because look at how much pigment there is there. Like, that is amazing. I could have just left it with just one swipe and it is already really pigmented, but I like to like really pack on the color. Okay, and now I am going in with Amsterdam. And unfortunately there has been quite a few, oh my god, look at this, mixing these two together, match made in heaven. This, oh my god. Sorry. Anyways, as I was saying, there's actually been quite a few people that have complained of Amsterdam, how it can be really crumbly, and lots of people's palettes have got heaps of like kick up in it, and one YouTuber, Twee, oh my god, I can't say her name. She's so lovely. She seems really lovely. I haven't met her, but you know, her one completely shattered while she was filming on camera. It was so strange. So mine isn't doing that. I'm having no problems with this color right here. I just love mixing these two together. I just think it makes the most beautifulest color ever. And that's one thing I love with a good eyeshadow palette. If it mixes with the colors, not just like sticks on top and just does nothing. This mixes like a painting. Oh, it's just bloody amazing. I'm now going to be dipping in with I found this quite hard to blend for some reason. Yeah, I just had a little bit of problems with it. It's such a like turquoise green color, like yeah, I just had like troubles blending with it. So this does take me a little while to blend out, but in saying that, the blue and the green, once it's mixed, looks absolutely incredible. Like, I had like peacock vibes. It is just, oh, so beautiful. So I really dust in here. This is where like the magic happens. I'm now going to be adding Vla, which is the yellow, and I am going to put this right here, and you look at this. It just like the green and the yellow mixed together. Oh, absolutely stunning. I think it makes the green look even better than what it actually already looks like. Like the green is like a really nice color. It's not even, I wouldn't necessarily, like it is green, but like it's more of like a blue-based turquoise green. It's not like a earthy green. But oh my god, once you activate like the yellow on top of it, pff, you're off. You're off and sailing. I just feel so pretty. Like that is just so sick. I do find having to build the yellow up quite a bit because you're blending it into the green so much that you sort of just need to keep topping it up to as much as you want. I feel like that rainbow fish. Did you get to read these in like primary school? Okay, so now I am going to be taking, what am I going to be taking? I'm going to be taking Blend and Snap, this color right here. I am just taking this and putting this literally right here and into my eyebrow hairs. One thing about this palette, I've had no fallout. How do you do that? I just find that this pink and the slasher color together literally reminds me of ice cream, and it is just, look at that blend. And to make this eye look just pop even more, I'm going to be using Redemption. I tried to use as many colors as I possibly could, and I'm going to put the Redemption right in this little space that I left myself, and I'm just going to blend that in a little bit and just try and connect it to the yellow if you can. I sort of can't, sort of am right now, but like sort of not really doing it. I left a lot more space in this one, but yeah, just try not to mix the orange and the blue together because they're complementary colors, and that will turns into like a brown gray, like, unless you want that, then go for it, but that's not really the look I'm going for. But I don't really have a lot of real estate on my eyelids, so I'm just doing the best with what I've got, basically. Oh my god. Look at this. Just look at this beautiful rainbow. All right, now I am going to cut my crease using the P. Louise. I'm just going to use that again. Take this on my Huda Beauty Conceal and Blend. This is just perfect to do cut creases. I'm just going to go in here. Whew, this one's so much cleaner than this one. Oh my god, I was experimenting with this one. So now I'm going to be taking my finger, and what I have experienced with this palette is using a flat synthetic brush to get the glitters. No, just do not do that. Use your finger. Finger is so much better. Heats it up a little bit, melts. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, I love it. Glitters, or like, you know, the shimmers in this, they're super duper soft. So please be careful when you put your fingers in, because they are just so soft. Like, I could lightly put my finger in and it would make like, yeah, it makes like a finger imprint. Like, just be careful. Sorry, that pink that I was using is Roxy Catan. It's so weird. This one seems so shimmery and this one's like not. I think it's because of the lighting. I'm using natural lighting right now because I don't have a ring light with me, my new place yet. I have ordered one. So hopefully that will be an absolute game changer and you guys will actually be able to see me. Oh my god, I've lost feeling in my legs. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking Amsterdam again. And I'm just going to just blend this out just a little bit because it's kind of lost its blue. P.S. I hope you guys enjoyed that new video of mine. It's so good to be back. It's so good to be back making videos and stuff. I'm so excited for what the future holds. I've got a really exciting project coming up, which I'm so excited to share with you guys. I am going to be going in with Slasher again. I think that is honestly my favorite shade, to be honest. And I'm going to go in here and just line my eyes. Line my, what is this called? Waterline, under eye. I need a Coke. I've been trying to drink those LaCroix pear and apple fizzy water drinks. It's just not the same effect, you know. It's just not the same. It's just not the same as Coke, you know. I'm now going back in with Blend and Snap. I'm basically just going back in with whatever I did up here, and I'm going to be putting it down here. Yeah, I am just not a fan. I just freaking love Coke, but I'm trying to lose weight because I've stacked on so much weight, like unrecognizable, so much. My cousin was like, just stop drinking Coke. Do you know how many calories is in that? And I'm just like, yeah, nice chat, see you later. People that are like, oh, just switch to Coke, no sugar. You could blindfold me and I would know what every single taste in Coke is. Seriously, we should do that. We should do a Coke test. Okay, now I'm going to be taking Redemption and I'm just going to put that right here. I'm just going to connect it to the yellow. All right, and I'm just going to go back in with the yellow, which is Vla. And I'm just going to blend this more out. Just for that nice zingy yellow. Kind of reminds me of like lemon curd. It's such a cool color. And the last thing that I did, I put Plot Twist into my waterline. It sort of didn't really work. Sort of just need an eyeliner, to be honest, but I don't have my eyeliners with me. Sort of works. I'm just, in general, really bad at doing coloured eyeliner. Well, just putting stuff in my eye. I'm just not great at it, you know? Alright, so this is basically the finished look, but I'm going to put an eyelash on. Sorry if you have scooted away during the process. But basically what I'm going to do... Oh my god, wow. Hey. Sorry about that. That was just a fault within the studio. Oh, I would really like to get a, can someone buy me a new tripod, please? Or just like a whole filming studio? That'd be so sick. Anyways, I'm quickly just gonna put some lashes on and then I'm gonna give you my final thoughts on what I think about this palette. So, I'll see you all soon. Woo! Oh, that was bloody quick, wasn't it? Alright, so basically I am finished. This is the finished look. The palette. What I've got to say about the palette. Overall, I think this is a really cool palette. I loved it more than I thought that I was going to. There is a little bit of a kickback in the pan, but that doesn't really bug me very much, but that may bug some other people. One thing that I want to mention is that these shimmers are so delicate. Like, oh my god, please be careful with it, because I feel like they're like butter. They'll shatter. Like, they're so creamy and so delicate. Like, be careful. So beware of that. Overall, I think that these colors are amazing. I find that some of them you have to go over a couple of times. Oh my god, you guys are just slip sliding away. I'm so sorry. I just think this palette is really cool, and I love that it's got the two mirrors on it. So this one's just like a normal mirror, and then this one is like a mirror where it's like more, where it's more zoomed in. What's it called? Magnetized? Oh my god, I don't know. It's been a long day. I haven't tried every single color in this, but I've tried 8 colors, 7 to 8 colors today, which is pretty good out of this. This comes with 20 colors. I thought I did a good job. Definitely my favorite color so far is Slasher. I think that is such an awesome color, and wait till you try Amsterdam and Slasher together. Oh my god, it's like a match made in heaven. I can't wait for you guys to try this. Want to say again, thank you so much to whoever sent this to me. I am so grateful, and it really helps me out being sent PR like this, because it gives me content to do, because I can't afford anything. I'm like a poor artist, and it's just so incredible to be able to get sent product and be able to play with it and show you guys, you know, give my review on it. And this is totally Caito Potato approved. This is a really cool eyeshadow palette. It is up there with the Mitchell palette, which I don't blame because it's by Beautybay. But yeah, I think Beautybay and Nikkie did an incredible job. I really hope that you can get your hands on this. This is just a super fun palette, and I really love this look that I did. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. It was so much fun chatting to you guys and playing with this palette. Congratulations, Nikkie. This is so bloody cool, and well done, Beautybay, for just serving straight fire as bloody per usual. So anyways, I'm gonna go now. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all again very soon. Say hello to your mum for me, please. How's she doing? What is she up to? Has she bought a lotto this week? What's she cooking in the kitchen? What's going on? But most importantly, stay groovy. See you bloody later. Bye.